I smell it through the camera, guys. So do you think robots will take over the world one day?
A little sprinkle of bling bling.
I can smell a concept car, guys.
It's Smyrna time.
Come on!
No. Just look at that. Look at that.
You'll have no vet bills with this one, guys.
Touring, as they call it, if you want to be posh. I've never seen one like this before.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm here at Goodwood Festival of Speed and the Smyrna Green G81 is at the Dodson stand, and there they are, guys. Say hi. Hello. These are the Dodson Motorsport boys who've come all the way from New Zealand and they've got the beast inside the cage. So if you're here, come and say hi. Let's go and see what's about. And my first stop, BMW stand, obviously the ultimate driving machine. Let's go inside then, guys.
It's exactly like that.
M2 CS.
15 years hasn't changed anything.
Inside, it's full of carbon. Look, all carbon. No armrest as well. Wireless charger, come on. Faceless steering wheel. M2 CS. All we got to do now is make ours quicker than this. Shouldn't be hard though, not really. Yeah, man, let's go. So guys, that's the M2 CS, it's hard. This is some crazy electric thing, sick. Check this green one, man. M5 Touring G91, come on. Is it Smyrna though? No.
Which we can't see very well at the moment because the sun's
sick. Yo, you want to talk about downforce? I'll show you upforce. Look at the McMurty. This thing sticks to the ceiling, bro. They turned it upside down. It's got that much downforce that it actually stuck there and it didn't drop. That is sick, bro.
The boat was high off the ground, was that or lower?
Love to take that round the track, mate. Right, guys. M2 CS and M3 CS Touring. Woo! I wish they did it in Smyrna. Like the wheels, isn't it? Similar to mine. Yo, man's got a robot dog, you know. Look.
Guys, do you want your BMW M car to sound just like this?
Of course you do. So go ahead, check out the link in the description. Tech Motorsports have just launched their brand new shop. Go ahead, check it out. Let's get back into the video. I just spoke to the guy, he goes, he's got some humanoid thing as well, bro, so like some next robot. So that humanoid thing, what is it? Like a full robot like this? So what's the story with this then, bro? What is this?
It's a robot dog on wheels. As simple as that.
Robot dog on wheels?
Yeah.
So do you think robots will take over the world one day?
Oh, definitely not.
Definitely not?
I program them, I know what to listen to and what not.
Sick. So they don't have a mind of their own then?
No.
So not like iRobot?
No, definitely not.
There you are then, guys. You don't need to worry. What's he doing now?
Making climb stairs.
Come on then, Oscar. Climb the stairs, mate. Good lad. There's a good boy.
It's amazing.
You'll have no vet bills with this one, guys. Just electric bills. Yo, I'm gonna chat to this robot thing, you know. Let's go. Hello. How are you?
Hey there. What's up? I'm feeling lively and ready to chat. Just enjoying our conversation. What's new with you?
So, my BMW G81 M3 is here in Smyrna Green.
What's on your mind? Nice. Smyrna Green is a stunning color.
She said Smyrna Green, you know, it's 1200 horsepower. Can you say it's Smyrna time?
Ah. It's Smyrna time.
Come on!
Ready to hit the road?
It's already been to the ring, darling.
Let's roll. What's next?
Thank you so much.
Impressive. Sounds like you're welcome. Anytime.
Okay, now this is scary. Let's go. It's too scary, bro. Hell, bro. She said Smyrna time, you know? I never thought the day would come. Hyundai, you know, come on. That's sick, bro. Look at the amount of room in the back.
Nice aircon as well.
It's got a lovely aircon, that's why I'm sat here, really. Nice. I can smell a concept car, guys. There is a BMW concept car right there. The hell is it? You know, it's massive, isn't it?
It's quite long.
It's got like 4 bucket seats inside it. Hybrid thing. Right guys, this is the next day. Yesterday was so hot, so today we came in a little bit earlier. It's still rammed, but a bit cooler and a bit quieter. Behind me is the McLaren W1. Look at the design. Now, one of the things that's caught my eyes about this, guys, is aero. Obviously, you know I like aero. I've got it on my cars. But the design, the frame literally goes all the way down into the chassis there. You can just see it there if you go inside. That is called aero, bro. And it's got some like mad shocks on it and stuff. So when it's in full aero mode, the back end just drops straight down. So I think this is like the newer version of the P1. Looks gangster, man. I'm not really a McLaren guy, but the car is hard. Now guys, before Smyrna green was invented, forget this green, British racing green was invented. Look at that. Beautiful. Alpina. This is the original years of BMW, man. The B7 Turbo. Check it out, guys. Gangster. Dad, if you're watching this, so my dad had one of these and it got jacked. Alpina. B9, sorry, yeah. My dad had one of these and it got nicked. Grey one. What a car, bro. Picture time, innit? Bugatti Veyron. You reckon we can blow this in the Smyrna, bro? Blow any of these, innit? It's bare Bugattis, bro. Basically a Volkswagen. It's a Volkswagen. Guys, if you know about Porsche, check Singer out, bro. So the first time I actually came across Singer was when I went to see my mate Haz at Topaz. Bro, they had 6 carbon bodies of Singer just lined up there. No engines, no nothing, just bare 911 bodies like that, made out of carbon, bro. Singer are the ones, guys. Check them out. Sick. Check the rollers, bro. Come on. I'm sure we saw one of these on the way here yesterday, Spectre. Well, the only thing I don't like about that is hybrid, but car's gangster, bro. Look at it. Some next purple color, man. Yo, check the green out. It'll look nice in Smyrna, that would. Let's look around it. It's the Cully, you know. Check the green Cully, bro. That is hard, bro. Green Cully, yellow calipers, gangster interior. Very nice. Rolls-Royce, guys, if there's one word associated to Rolls-Royce, it's quality. I used to build plane engines for Rolls-Royce and the cars are. And don't forget, BMW group, you know, come on. So guys, naturally, we're getting a lot of attention on the Smyrna. This young gentleman here has asked me a question. What were you asking me?
Saying is the paint factory for part of the CS pack.
So the paint is factory, but this is not a CS. This is better than a CS. So built by Tech Motorworks, guys. You know it's better than a CS, man. You could get 2 CSs and put them in there. And that's the power that it will accumulate. So yeah.
How much does it put out?
So on ethanol, it's just around 1200 horsepower. Street power is about 850, 900.
Fair play.
Anyway, thanks for stopping by anyway, man.
Nice meeting you.
See you later, guys. See? Now do you understand why I like petrol? Smell. Just smell it through the camera, guys. Electric. Out to Lee and Paul for sorting out some tickets for my boy JB ride with me. I believe he's at gate 2, so we're just going to escort him in.
Let's go find him.
Let's go find this guy, man. Hey!
Smart.
Yo, so we needed some more mans on the team, you know.
Look who it is.
I needed some boys to ride with. He's here.
Focus on this madman. Focus on this madman.
Come on, Baba. What
Focus
on?
on this madman.
What are you saying? You okay?
Hey, I'm good,
You
man.
made it, man.
Brother.
You alright?
You have no idea, man.
Bro, it's alright, man.
Thank you very much. I appreciate
Thank my boys, innit?
How you
Lee
doing?
from
You okay?
Dodson.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely
This
to
is
meet you.
Paul
Lovely
from
to meet
Goodwood Sport.
you. Lovely to meet you,
This is
man.
my
Thank
brother
you, thank you,
JB.
thank you.
Ride with me. Let's go, man.
You're
Let's
crazy.
go.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bro.
Look at that.
Access all.
No. Just look at that. Look at that. You are sleeping on the bicycle. Tie it here. Tie it on my this thing. Tie it on my this
Get
thing.
him on, man.
No. It's official. It is official. Film the hand.
You're
That's
in.
it.
Thank you ever so much.
We're in, mate. You
We're
know what?
in.
Let's get this party started, mate.
Dodson Motorsport. You need to come see us. You need to come
Dodson,
see us.
that's what's in the box, innit? In my
Let's go there.
G81. We're going straight to the stand,
Let's
bro.
go there.
We're going now, bro.
What are you waiting for?
Waiting for the
Let's go.
Waiting for the African king,
come
bro.
on, get out.
Come on, let's go.
And make sure you follow Dodson as well. Don't sleep on it.
Don't sleep on the bicycle, man.
Shit!
There's some nice
Look at the VIP car park.
See that, mate?
Blood drop, Jesus.
I brought you to the graveyard of supercars, bro.
Jesus.
Come on.
No. Starting with the McLaren on the left-hand side. Of course, you have the Vantage sitting beautifully. And then you have the Lamborghini Aventador S. Oh la la. The Performante is sitting right between
That's it.
it.
He's on, bro.
Absolute madness. Imty, which one is your favorite amongst this lineup?
G81 M3.
Of course. What do you expect from a BMW driver? Driver will not use their
Listen,
own car.
I'll smoke any of these cars.
Do you know what?
Facts.
After seeing what your car did on Car Wow,
There you go.
I couldn't believe my eyes, man.
Facts, bro.
Honestly, I couldn't believe my eyes. That was a madness.
Yeah, man.
Check
You like
out.
the paint on that?
That's a crazy one.
It's like a red
It's like
flick,
electric
gold flick.
Yeah, that's the electric version, isn't it? It's like bubble gum with a little sprinkle of bling bling. Do you know what I mean? Oh yeah, the fairy dust. Can you please tell us a little bit about like what Dodson actually does whilst we're making our way there?
Dodson is from New Zealand. We're based in Auckland. We are a specialist in dual clutch transmissions.
Wow.
And now automatic transmissions. Manual transmissions.
And what are you doing with me, man?
Making it fast. Imty runs our sportsman clutch kit for the G81. 1200 horsepower if I'm not mistaken.
That's right, on ethanol.
Yeah, on ethanol. So we're going to be in the 7s very soon. Maybe late 8s, maybe 7s. We'll see. So we predominantly do high horsepower applications.
Okay.
Lamborghini Huracan, Audi R8s, GTR, Porsche, PDK, anything you need for high horsepower.
Did you hear that?
2,500 horsepower, 3,000 horsepour.
Wow.
It's no problem. It's no problem for us.
In a nutshell, these people are normal people like me.
We are normal people.
In a nutshell. But these are the kind of abnormal people you want to be interacting with.
Yeah.
If you want to be going fast and safe. Not only going fast, but also safe. You see, you need to understand something. This is Goodwood Festival of Speed, where the wood is always good. You might not understand, but I'm just telling you. So we are now approaching the Dodson stand. Of course, the G81 is Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. No. Look at that madness. No, look at that madness. You want to tell me you will see this and you will miss it?
No chance.
No. Hello.
This is Dave Sweez, the owner of Dodson.
I'm the CEO
How are
and
you?
managing director at Dodson.
So you are a madman.
I'm a madman. You got it.
We love madmen.
Yeah, so
No.
we've got our 8 HP 76 clutch kit in here. It has billet C&E hubs and about to get the torque converter upgrade as well. Everything Imty needs to get this up to 1,400, 1,500 horsepower if he wants to.
Because we're trying to harness the power.
Harness your horsepower, mate. That's what we do.
Touring, as they call it, if you want to be posh. I've never seen one like this before.
Okay, guys, so there it is. That's our time here done at Goodwood Festival of Speed. It was excellent, and obviously my boy JB came through.
Of course it was excellent. Why would it not be excellent? We have two mad people in a standard. It is creating madness.
We needed extra people to ride with, so obviously I called JB to ride with me, innit?
It's an honor, man. It's an honor, bro.
Thank you to the whole Dodson team, Lee, Brad, Jared, Dave, everyone, Paul from Goodwood Sport. It's been amazing, and yeah, we can do it next year and hopefully bring the G87. We'll have a bigger stand. Let's break some records this year and next year. And guys, go check out Dodson Motorsports. I will leave the links in the description. If you're not already checking my boy JB out,
yeah, sleeping on the bicycle.
Sleeping on the bicycle, the African King of London. Ride with me. Go check him out on Insta and check out Dodson.
Thank you. Thank you.
And yeah, see you for the next video, guys. It's Smyrna time.
Get out. My brother. Now that is amazing. I'm telling you. Listen, just like I said, right? If you actually want to tune your car as well, and you want to have a taste of this kind of performance that is going on here, you know exactly where to come to. Dodson are waiting for you. Their doors are open. Emails are open. Phones are open. What are you waiting for? You are sleeping on the bicycle. Get out. Give yourself. But what do I know? I'm just an African man. Get out.